Well, my wait is finally over. It's the Marvel Collector Corps Deadpool box. Woohoo! For the month of February. Everyone's favorite Merc with a Mouth was the theme. Obviously, with the movie coming out, makes a lot of sense. And, of course, I had to get it. So let's see what's inside, shall we? I've actually been good, and I haven't checked any spoilers for what's in the box. Alright, so we are starting out with the patch and the pin. So pretty neat. This is actually my first Collector Corps box, so I haven't seen any of these little things that they put in there. I know Loot Crate has their little pins, but it actually comes off pretty good. That's not good. It's one of the nice little pins. I like that. And this badge is pretty cool. Patch. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Well, we have a cool Funko Deadpool shirt in the gray and black, the X-Force suit. That is really cool. I like that. We have a Deadpool comic, or this is the magazine, the world's greatest comic magazine. Yeah, that's kind of neat. We'll look at that in a second. Let's see. We have that. This is the Mopies. This is a black and red variant. This is actually really cool. I have all of the other four. I have the blue and yellow, the yellow and blue, the red and black, and the gray and black. And now I have this one to go with it. That is awesome. Oh, adorbs. Nice. One of Funko's lines is the Dorbs. And this is Deadpool. Looks like he's got a little stick horse. Yes, he has a little stick horse. And a cowboy hat. Awesome. And of course the Marvel Collector Corps exclusive. That does show a few other ones here. The pirate hat and the chef Deadpool. Looks like the chef one's got a little spatula. Nice. And, last but not least, exclusive Funko Pop. Leaping Deadpool. Awesome. I do open these, and that's a good thing because this box is a little damaged. The plastic is kind of dinged up here, and it's kind of caved in a little bit. But that doesn't matter to me because I do open these things. I'm not the kind of collector that needs to keep everything, brand new in the box. So all in all, a nice little selection of Deadpool stuff here. Let's check this out real quick, see what this is. It's not like a regular comic bag. It's almost like those bags they use when you get a treat in a cereal box. So I'm not worried about cutting it open. If I can get it. Yeah. Deadpool on a pile of tacos and chimichangas. Deadly funny, killer hero, madman avenger, cancerous, smelly, irresponsible father, reckless husband, regenerating degenerate, Merc mouth, Deadpool. And, it is actually an issue of Deadpool. That's pretty cool. I like that. I will be reading that later. Well, let's take one quick look at the whole shirt here. I like that. Try and get this in frame here. I will be wearing this shirt out probably in no time. That is really, really good. I wasn't sure what exactly to expect out of the Marvel Collector Core box, because like I said, I never have done it before. I saw the Avengers Age of Ultron box, and that one looked really cool, so I knew I'd be getting some pretty neat stuff. But I like that we didn't just get a variant Deadpool, we got an entirely new mold for the Funko Pop. Black and red suit, and of course the Dorbs and the shirt. I give this thumbs up.